Hello. Good evening, everybody. My name is Esme from Hunpun, Ukru, your contestant number 10. I'm a fashion model by profession and a postgraduate student in political science. While my work takes me to runways and studios, my heart is deeply rooted in creative pursuits, be it through arts and music or the quiet inspiration I get from Mother Nature and my travels. As I stand here, I am reminded of the Shirui Lily's resilience and grace, and it is an honor to be part of a setting that reminds us of our shared humanity, of beauty that goes beyond the surface, one that inspires, connects, and unites. Thank you very much.
Now, Miss Perfect Body, a tribute to fitness, confidence, and discipline. Let's hear it for contestant number 10. We'd like to request Yui Salon and Spa Unisex to do the honor of giving away the cash prizes and the gift hampers. Each of these contestants will receive a cash prize of 20,000 and gift hampers. Congratulations to contestant number 10. I'd like to request Momo Chow Taozengbum, proprietor, Singnel Menong Taobol, to do the honor of giving away the bouquet. I'd like to request Sir Momocha to keep on standing. I'd like to request Sir Momocha to keep on standing. You'll do the honor of giving away the flowers to all. The judge you've picked is judge number 2.
Hello, contestant number 10. How are you feeling tonight?
Hello. I am not sure.
Not sure? Okay, let's see whether you're sure now. All right, my question to you is, what is one thing Miss Shirui Lily 2025 has taught you that you will carry with you forever?
Thank you very much for that question. Miss Shirui Lily 2025 has brought me to this stage, my first ever pageant, and it has taught me the true essence of being a woman, being accepting of who I am, and being true to myself, and it came as a calling. So here I am. Thank you.
Answer?
Good evening, everyone. Here's my answer. If I was given or crowned the winner, it would be an honor to be the ambassador of such a precious platform. I know the weight the crown holds, but would be responsible by being a voice and empowering our youths by showing up and collaborating with the government by being a beacon of hope so that the Shirui Lily thrives in its rarity. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 10. This woman has bloomed before our eyes with grace, resilience, and a beauty that serves a greater purpose. She is the embodiment of Kashong Timrawan, the spirit of protection, prosperity, and kindness that this sacred flower represents. She's a voice for her people, a light for her land. She is beauty for humanity. Your Miss Shirui Lily 2025 is contestant number. Your Miss Shirui Lily 2025 is contestant number 10. Take your rightful place as queen. You carry more than the crowd. You carry a story. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to contestant number 10. You are the new Miss Shirui Lily 2025. I would like to request Miss Dorina Remai, former Miss Shirui Lily 2022, to do the honor of crowning her and giving her away the prizes. And I'd like to request Sir Momocha Tarangbam to do the honor of giving her away the flowers. And I request Chanyo's Oriflame Service Point proprietor Word Chuinan and Shanyo Gasar to do the honor of giving away the gift hampers. Thank you. Thank you to Sir Momochai and Sir Warchulan. Tonight, we've not only crowned the Queen, we've witnessed the blossoming of hope and humanity.